So you would have seen on my last video, I had ESP light came on when I took the Mauritius Blue for a drive to see if the gearbox works, which it does, great. So I now have this light, which is the ESP light. Now, in terms of my Model Blue car, that one when I bought it had been stood for like 2 years or something like that. So I'm no mechanic or expert, but my assumption is that it's the wheel speed sensor on the rear passenger side or near side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap over the whole unit, the trailing arm, wheel speed sensor, hubs and everything on that side of the car. The other thing I'm going to look at doing is swapping over the Haldexes. So the Haldex on the Model Blue, I know that's been well serviced. It had a service last year as well, so I know that's solid. That's on 101,000 miles. The Mauritius Blue car is on 113,000 miles. So what I'm trying to do is put as much of the known products to me on the new car, because they're items that I essentially trust, well, at least I know at least. So by changing the Haldex over, I know that that's in really good working order. Hopefully by the time I change the wheel speed sensor and everything else associated there, I should then get rid of this light. So that's just my guess, but we'll see. So for now, I'm going to try and get this shock absorber disconnected from the top, so I'll get this wheel liner taken out. As per usual, Torx 25 for these ones. So now, I'm just going to put you on a bit of a time lapse. Very good condition shock absorber, so that'll be going on to the new car. See, now that's the top and bottom control arm disconnected, so just need to get the drive shaft done now. So after removing the bumper, I've already spotted the bumper's got a crack in it, but I wasn't sure what actually caused the crack. So bumper's off now, so I can take the grills out, get them painted. However, this is the state of the crash bar. That's took a dink and a half. Now fortunately for me, the one off the Moro Blue, I hadn't binned it yet, because I got an error code on the VCDS telling me that I've got a horn earth problem. That's definitely going to explain that. But I've got a perfectly good crash bar here with the horn connected, so get these swapped over, then I can get these grills off and then do what I was going to do, change the horn and paint the grills. This is currently what a broke horn sounds like. Sounds great now. Oh, now it's dead. So now we have the new to this car crash bar off the Moro Blue fitted. The horn's plugged in. So now let's see if I'm right. So I'm going to now see if the horn works better. Ignition's on. Horn test. I'd call that one job off the list. So this is the first layer of plastic primer. Product using for this is just some Simmons grain plastic primer. So I've done the first tacky one. Let that dry off a little bit so it's a little bit sticky, and then put another couple of coats on it. Now that primer's gone on really nicely, so let that dry a little bit. That one seems to have some runs in it. I think I got a bit too happy with that one, but it's easy enough because you can sand it down. But this one's looking really well, which is the important one, because this is the one that everybody really looks at. So this should come up really nice. This of course is always a good idea when you take the inner liner off, just get it cleaned up. So the one I'm just using a sponge and detailing brush, just going around, just brushing out the cobwebs and other muck that was behind the liner. So if you get a chance and you get your wheel off, just give it a little scrub. As you can see, all the muck has come out. Primer is dry now, so just doing a little dust coat of the gloss black. Nothing too strenuous, nothing too heavy. Nice even coverage. Same again on the top bar grill, with a big cloth. So that's it for today. The grills are currently drying. I'll get some lacquer on them tomorrow. Sand off where I've oversprayed a little bit, but it's been quite a successful weekend. Managed to get the horn fixed. Managed to get some other bits and pieces done on the car that you've seen throughout. And the only thing left to do really is put the bumper back together. All the fault codes have been cleared. And then carry on cleaning up the little bits where it's dirty, and then give it a proper polish, maybe Wednesday. But we'll see. But I just want to make sure that everything else is running on it. But otherwise, I'll leave it there for now because I've lost daylight. I'll catch you in the next one.